A very good morning, children. This is your English period, and children, I would request everyone to take out your English grammar book and a pencil. We are going to continue the same chapter which we did in the last two sessions, that is chapter 7, verbs, was, were. So I hope, children, you understood some of the concepts of was and were in the video provided to you. I hope you would have watched those videos, and by this time you somewhat know where to use was and were. So children, in this session we are going to read out few sentences under the concept was, which is given in your grammar book. So children, there are 10 sentences under was, and I am going to read out each and every sentence and would try to explain you why was is used in these statements. So let's begin. Students, you know the use of was and were. So by this time you must have clearly know where to use was and were. These are helping verbs. I already told you many times that was and were are also helping verbs. And which kind of helping verbs are these? These are past helping verbs. Clear? Was and were are helping verbs which are used in those sentences in which actions have already taken place in the past, or actions have already happened or occurred in yesterday times. Therefore, these are called yesterday words. Am I clear to you, children? In any point of time, if I am not clear to you, children, kindly WhatsApp me through voice notes or messages that which part of the video you did not understand. Clear? I will make full effort in trying to understand each and every concept to you. So let's read out the sentences which are given under the concept was. Read the sentences. Was. Number 1. King Midas was a great king. So why was is used in this sentence? Number one reason is this, that King Midas was a great king. He is no more. He is not present in now times. Clear? He was present in the earlier times. Therefore, was is used. And number 2 reason is this, that was is always used with singular nouns, right? Singular nouns or pronouns. Therefore, Midas is a noun. Midas is a proper noun. It is a name of a king. Clear? Midas is a name of a king. Therefore, it is a proper noun. And when it is only singular proper noun, this is a singular noun, only one king is mentioned in this sentence. Therefore, with singular nouns we use was. Clear? Let's move to the second one. Snow White was a beautiful girl. For a second sentence also resembles with the first one, children. Snow White was a beautiful girl. She is not present in the now time. Clear? She is not here in the present time. She was present at the earlier times. When we are talking about statements of past times or earlier times, we use was. Clear? And since Snow White is a singular noun, is a proper noun, therefore we use was. Midas was also a singular proper noun. Snow White is also a singular proper noun. Therefore, we used was in this sentence. And in both the sentence is talking about the times which have happened in the past. Clear? These both persons are not present in the now time. Clear? Number 3. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. So, children, who is the current Prime Minister of India, if I may ask to you? You already know that present Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. Clear? So, if I am going to use the current Prime Minister of India, so which helping verb I am going to use? We are going to use is. For example, we can say Mr. Narendra Modi is the present Prime Minister of India. Why? Because he is the present Prime Minister. We are talking about the now time. Therefore, I used is with Mr. Narendra Modi is the current Prime Minister of India. But in the third sentence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was the first prime. Present time, he is no more. He is expired. Therefore, in the past, he was the first Prime Minister. Therefore, we used was. Because this statement is talking about the yesterday times. This statement is talking about the past time. And the second reason why we used was with Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, because he is singular proper noun. This noun is in singular form. Therefore, with each singular form of noun or pronoun, we are going to use was. Clear? Moving to the fourth one. It was foggy yesterday morning. This statement says that yesterday in the morning it was very foggy. So therefore we are talking about yesterday. So therefore was will be used. And the second reason why was is used, because it is a singular pronoun. Singular pronoun. Therefore, with singular pronouns, we are going to use was. Number 5. She was very excited about the picnic. So she was very excited. Now she might be not excited. Clear? So she was excited. पहले excited थी, अभी नहीं है. We are talking about the yesterday times. We are talking about the past times. Therefore was is used. And she is also singular pronoun. Therefore she is singular form of pronoun. Therefore was is used. Similarly, in the sixth one also, beta, he is also singular pronoun. Therefore was is used here. He was going to the kingdom of dreams with his friends. So yesterday in the past he might be going to the kingdom of dreams, but now he is not going. Therefore was is used, because in these sentences we are talking about the past, the actions which have occurred in the past. Therefore was is used. He is singular pronoun. Therefore with each and every singular pronoun or noun we are going to use was. Number 7. My uncle was surprised to see me. So this statement states that when my uncle arrived, or when I went to my uncle, then he was very surprised to see me. He was surprised. Now he had already seen me, therefore he is not surprised. But when he saw me first time, or he saw me after a long time, he was surprised. So this surprise happened in the past. This surprise happened in the yesterday times. Therefore was is used. And also uncle is singular noun. So with each and every singular noun or pronoun was is used. Number 8. That room was locked. Since room is a singular form of noun, only one room is given here in this statement, so was is used. That room was locked. In the earlier times, the room might be locked, but now the room is not locked, the room is opened. So therefore was is used when the room was locked. Clear? So room is a singular noun, therefore only one room is given in this sentence. Was is used. Ninth, where was Rachita's dog? So Rachita's dog was not there in the yesterday times. Therefore, where she is asking where was Rachita's dog. रचिता का dog कहाँ था? So in the sentences when tha comes, we use was. Tha means the actions which have occurred in the past. So Rachita's dog is only one dog, singular noun, therefore was is used. Number 10, was Shreya watching television last night? So in this statement, it is a question statement, and the question is asking, was Shreya watching television last night? We are talking about the last night. We are talking about the past. We are talking about the yesterday night. Therefore was is used. And since Shreya is also singular proper noun, therefore it is one person, therefore was is used. So children, I hope you understood these 10 sentences and why was is used in these sentences. I hope I made myself very clear, and if not, then please ask me whichever sort of questions or doubts or queries you have. You are free to ask me any sort of question or doubt. I am always available to you. You can personally message me and ask me, or you can ask me on the WhatsApp group. I will try and solve all your problems. So till then, only this much is today for the session. So children, thank you so much, and please keep revising your chapters and please practicing grammar. And in any grammar concept you feel difficulty in the previous chapters also, you can ask me. Don't feel hesitant, and I am open to each and every students, those who might not understand the English properly, you can also request me to explain me in Hindi. I will do it also. Clear? So children, thank you so much, and stay safe, stay healthy.